Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Meghna, Nandan, Nagaraju, Navya, Janvi, Padmavati, Abhi, Lata. Good evening, good evening, good evening, everyone. How are you all? Doing good? Pranav, Manendra, Suresh, Sabiha, Prakash, Hatmika, Hasika, Neetu. So in last class, we have just started with the organic chemistry part. We did the basic things. We studied something. It was our first class only. So we have seen just the structures. We gave one homework also. Have you done that? We gave one homework also. We made one cube like this, na? Or we can use the shapes also. So suppose this is the cube. Then can you tell formula of this? We said like this, can you tell formula of this cube? What will be the formula? So simple, we have said every corner, every beginning, every ending, it is carbon. So 1 carbon, 2 carbon, 3 carbon, 4 carbon, 8 corners are there in a cube. So we have 8 carbon, C8. We have 8 carbon, C8. Clear? Okay. Now what? We will talk about hydrogen. We will talk about hydrogen. So I told you ki, we will see, we have to see today NCERT question also. Na? NCERT also we have to see. Can we skip to the good part? This is the good part. Okay. This is the good part, easy part. After this, so there are many more things which are difficult and a bit difficult to understand also, which require serious studies, more concentration, more determination. Okay. So let's see, we have said ki carbon will have how many bonds? 4 bonds. So already you will see ki there are 3 bonds. Every carbon already having 3 bonds. This one easy only. Yes. Every carbon having 3 bonds. So 1 bond is left. So that bond is hydrogen. So that bond is hydrogen. So every carbon having 1 hydrogen. So the answer is C8H8. C8H8. Clear? So let's talk about some other things also. Like you know some basic functional group, that is saturated and unsaturated. Saturated hydrocarbon. Saturated hydrocarbon means what? There will be only CC single bond. Only CC single bond is there. There is no double bond. Example, you can say alkane. Example, what you can say? Alkane. The other part is unsaturated. Other part is what? Unsaturated. Unsaturated hydrocarbon. Acha, you know hydrocarbon? Hydrocarbon means only hydrogen and carbon. What do you mean by hydrocarbon? Hydrocarbon means only carbon and hydrogen atoms. That's it. Not oxygen, not chlorine, not sulfur and all. Only carbon and hydrogen are there. Only carbon and hydrogen, then you will call it what? Hydrocarbon. From the name only it is clear. Hydrocarbon. Unsaturated means there will be presence of CC double bond and CC triple bond. There will be presence of CC double bond and CC triple bond. Now you know when CC double bond is there, then it is known as alkene. And when CC triple bond is there, it is known as alkyne. I think this much everyone knows. You also know that there are two types of bonds, sigma bond and pi bond. Have you heard about this? Sigma bond and pi bond. Batao. Sigma bond, pi bond. Have you heard anything about this? Sigma bond, pi bond? Well, yes, we will say simple. Sir, if head-on overlap, we will see this in detail. Just I am telling you the names because you are also knowing something. So here we will say head-on, or you can say axial overlap. Here we will say sidewise or lateral overlap. Batao, are you familiar with these words? Are you familiar with these words? Those are the hybridization, sp, sp2, sp3. These are hybridization. We are talking about sigma bond, pi bond. So later on in atomic structure chapter, they will tell you there is orbital concept. Orbital are there, s orbital, p orbital. If you are attaching or you are overlapping head-on, head-on means what? Direct collision type. So head-on means sigma. But if you are overlapping sidewise, this is sidewise. This is sidewise. Sidewise. Sidewise is pi bond. This sidewise is only known as lateral. This sidewise is only known as lateral. And this is known as head-on. This is known as head-on. Clear? Not every pi bond you will count for unsaturation. CC double bond, CC triple bond. I am again repeating. For unsaturated compound, you will tick CC double bond, CC triple bond. CC double bond, CC triple bond. Keep in mind, C double bond O is there, then we will not put this in this category. CC double bond, CC triple bond. Now there can be some question based on counting sigma and pi bond. So we have said like this, if there is only one bond, then this is sigma. If there are multiple bond, then one is sigma, rest are pi. If there are multiple bond, then one is sigma, rest are pi. Now don't say like this, sir, which one sigma, sir, down one, up one, middle one, which one sigma? So we don't say like this. One is sigma, rest are pi. One is sigma, rest are pi. Whichever you can take. No one will ask you like this, which one is sigma bond, middle one, up one, down one. No. They will just ask you how many sigma, how many pi. So main point you have to remember, if there is only a single bond, you will study valence bond theory in chemical bonding chapter. So that theory tells us if there is a single bond, then it is sigma. And if there are more than one bond, means multiple bond, then one is sigma, rest are pi. Understood? Clear? So can you count sigma and pi bond also? If I give you a compound like this, batao to, can you count sigma and pi bond? Sigma, pi. Chalo batao. Can you calculate, can you find the number of sigma bond and pi bond? Bolo. We'll start degree. Don't worry. Acha, you know in this week what we have to study? Are you having the syllabus part? In this week what we have to study? ना see those students who have already attended these lectures, ठीक है ना, so they are knowing, but many are new in this class now ना, so for them we will go with this speed only. For you also in the beginning we maintained the same speed. So in this mainly we have to study two things in this week, that is degree and structure. So structure we will study for 2-3 days, then degree we will study for 2-3 days. Understood? So now you should, questions are different, ठीक है ना, so you can also try. बताओ how many sigma, how many pi. So don't count only this thing कि sir 1 sigma, 2 sigma, 3 sigma, 4 sigma, sir 4 sigma. Wrong. You have counted only carbon carbon single bond. You have counted only carbon carbon single bond. Who will count carbon hydrogen bond? You have to find carbon hydrogen also na. So just find how many hydrogen, those are extra sigma bonds. How many hydrogen are there? 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 plus 4, 10. This to confirm. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 CC bond and 6 hydrogen are there. Correct na? 6 hydrogen. So 6 hydrogen are connected by single bond only. So 10 sigma. How many pi? We have said in multiple bond, one is sigma, rest are pi. One is sigma, rest are pi. So 3 pi. Clear? So this is the basic part. Now the question is why I am telling you this? Because we will again come to the same topic, that is bond line structure. Till now you have studied only an alkane part in bond line structure. मान लो suppose if I write something like this, what do you mean by this structure? If I write like this, what do you mean by this structure? So in all these cases you have to write, बताओ, in all these cases you have to write the formula, molecular formula. Can you write the molecular formula in all these 3 cases? बताओ, लिख लेगा? Can you write molecular? I am not asking you the name because nomenclature we have not studied. Nomenclature we have not studied. So I am just asking you molecular formula. How many carbon, how many hydrogen? Later on I will ask you sigma and pi bond, don't worry. But now तो I am interested in molecular formula first. तो जल्दी से बताओ पहले वाले का. First one, tell me the molecular formula. Let's see who are able to tell. Not the name, boy. So how many carbon are there? One child writing C4, one child writing C5, 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 many writing C5. Okay, C5 is correct then. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. C5. How many hydrogen? Hydrogen is variable in your answers. Hydrogen is variable in your answers. Hydrogen is variable in your answers. तो बोलो भाई हाइड्रोजन कितना? 8, 12, 10. Yes, college people decide section based on your marks. If you score good, good batch. तो चलो देख लेते हैं. So here 2 bonds are already there. So how many hydrogen here? 2 hydrogen. Here how many hydrogen? 1 hydrogen. यहाँ पे 1, 1, 3. बोलो, is this clear to everyone? 3, 3, 6, 2, 8. Am I correct? बोलो तो, is it correct? 8, 8. Okay. So what is the formula of this one? Next one. Many people know, sir, this is benzene. I know it directly. I can tell. Okay. I can also tell. What is the new thing in this? C6H6. These all are carbon. Every carbon, 3 bonds already done. Every carbon, 3 bonds already done. ठीक है, C6H6, वेरी गुड. आ जाओ. Now let's see how many of you are able to tell the last one. Last one very important. How many of you are able to tell the last one? पहले बताओ कार्बन आटम. First you tell carbon atom. बोलो. So see, this is very important, very interesting, very important. Many people will think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Many people will think this. Is it correct? No. Many are writing 7. Komu. Satya. Satya C5 writing. No. Pranati. No. Kaushal C5 wrong. See, what is the significance of the writing this pi bond small in the middle? Small in the middle means one carbon is here and one carbon is here. If you are writing small pi bond means there also two carbon are there. देख लो भाई, देख लो, very important. If you are writing pi bond small, line big, then those two are also carbon. You can say these two carbons are supporting this. Keep this in mind. Later on I will tell you about hybridization also. Ki sp hybridization, so the angle here is 180 degree. So leave that part now. But now you have to think if pi bond written. See, here I have written pi bond same length. Both bonds same length. So 1, 2. But if I write small, means there are also two carbon. Keep this in mind. So this is C7. This is C7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. C7. Can you tell hydrogen? Bolo hydrogen. How many hydrogen here? 3 here, 0 here, 0 here, 2, 2, 2, 2. Then bolo how many? Be careful. Many people have written hydrogen wrong. They are telling 11, 7, anything. So it is 8, 3, 11. Many people are writing 12. So I have done mistake, you will say, sir, last one you have written 2, na, that is wrong. Last one 3. And if you will write 3, then this is 12. So this type of mistake only you will also do. See, the concept is very easy, how many hydrogen and all. But the main problem here is this, ki many people misses the atom. They don't count only sometimes. They don't count many times. Clear? हो गया? So now your next question. Next question is you have to tell sigma and pi. Next question you have to tell sigma and pi. So chalo, pi is easy. So let's talk about pi bonds first. How many pi bond is the first one? Pi bond telling very easy. So let's tell pi bond first. Bolo. कितना पाई बॉन्ड? 2. नेक्स्ट केस 3. नेक्स्ट केस A4. 4. Who is writing 4? 3. 3 is wrong. 2. We have said in multiple bond, one is sigma, rest are pi. One is sigma, rest are pi. So देखो, is this pi bond clear to everyone? Pi bond में किसी को कोई problem? Anyone having problem in pi bond? Pi bond Ardhmainda. So let's talk about sigma bond. Sigma bond more number na, so now we will see sigma bond. तो बताओ तो how you will count sigma bond? So first you find carbon bonds. First you find carbon sigma bond. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 done plus 4 plus, you can simply say, sir, how many hydrogen you add? All hydrogen are connected by single bond. So 8 hydrogen are there. 4 plus 8, that is what? 12. 4 plus 8, that is 12. Srivalli is not there in class. But Shekhawat is always there in class. Okay? So focus here. So let's talk about sigma. Bolo bhai, sigma 12 done na? Correct? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 plus 8. Tell me about the next one then. How many sigma bond in the next? See, many people are not counting hydrogen. They just say 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, sir. Many people are not counting hydrogen. So count the hydrogen. How many? You will say 6 cc bond. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 cc bond plus 6 hydrogen which are not visible. So you should mark like this. Ki H, H, H. Sir, H is there. Not visible because we have written bond line structure. What we have written? Bond line structure we have written. We have written bond line structure. James bond line? No, only bond line. ठीक है ना? तो इधर कितना है? 6 plus 6 again to अरे everywhere coming 12 12 only. What is this? चलो let's talk about the next one then. अब क्या करेगा? Last one. Can you tell last one? Hatmika writing 18. Kamakshi writing 18. Kirti writing 18. Shrestha writing 18. Everyone writing 18? Copying or calculating? So let's see how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 to done. And then sir, hydrogen. Hydrogen you have calculated. So 12, 18, 18, 18. Correct. 18 correct. So sigma bond counting, pi bond counting, formula writing, and bond line representation. Clear to everyone. So last question, just to check if you know or not. ये बताओ, what is this? How many carbon in this? बताओ तो. How many carbon in this? 3. Okay. अब बताओ. Now tell me the formula. जल्दी से बता दो formula. Then we will go to NCERT. Tell formula of this. Then we will go to NCERT. How many carbon? बताओ molecular formula जल्दी से बताओ. Tell. त्वरगा चपंडे. Chepu. How many? 10, na? Chaitanya. So, are you counting like this? Okati, rendu, mudu, nalgu, airu, aru, eru, inmidi, tummidi, padi. 10 are there, huh? Correct. Who are writing 10? All are writing 10? 11 minus q. Maths class not there. 10, 10, 10. Correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 10, 10. Clear na? Hydrogen C10. Hydrogen, hydrogen. Hydrogen how many? Jaldi bolo, how many hydrogen are there? 14, 18, 17. Human being is also writing 17. 7 also. 1 you have missed. Many people writing 18. So see where you are doing mistake. Here 1 CH carbon 3 bonds na 1 bond left. Here 1, here 0. 2 0 1 3 2 3. Bolo, is this correct? Is this correct? 3366281 अच्छा इधर who will count this one भाई? 3366281 9 3 12 12 3 15 15 to 17 118 correct. H18 correct. Correct. Now I will tell you some NCERT questions. ठीक है ना कि where these things are written in NCERT, where these things are written in NCERT. So NCERT we have to search for first chapter of organic chemistry, some basic concept of organic chemistry, some basic concept of organic chemistry. Organic. This is that thing only, principal technique. There was one chapter na. NCERT PDF. NCERT. देखो. Which questions we are talking, how much we have studied. You have to practice these questions today. These are your homework. Homework compulsory. Without solving question, we cannot do anything. See. So, till now, in this 1.5 hours and all, we have studied this question. 8.1 done. .1 question done. ठीक है? So you can read it once. Then we have also done something else also. Now, buffer. We have also studied something about bond line structures. So we have done these things. So now you will have to be careful in this. Otherwise, you will do mistake. So practice all these questions. Try to draw it. ठीक है? आ जाओ देख लो. So these many questions of NCERT we have covered. These many questions of NCERT we have done 8.1, 8.4, 5, 6. So let's see it. आ जाओ भाई देख लो. तो see this structure. Like this part is important. Is this visible? See, this part is important. How to know कि this CO is connected in which way? This CO is connected in which way? So see here, first you will do like this कि CS3 written. CS3 means CS3 terminal part, 3 bonds already done. Then CS2 written means middle. Then say CO written. If you will write CO like this, see how you will do the mistakes. If you will write CO like this, sir, CO written, I will write CO, then CS2, then CS3. What is the problem here? Oxygen 2 bonds generally, no problem. But carbon, are you having 4 bonds of carbon? Bolo, are you having 4 bonds of carbon? No. Wrong. So you will have to understand that this O is connected in middle or it is connected by double bond. So when you will write like this, then you will find here a carbon 4 bonds. Very good, very good. ठीक है ना? Name we are not interested now. IUPAC nomenclature we don't know. We have to just see the structures now. Clear? All these are condensed form. This is condensed. This is expanded. We have said that in condensed we show some bonds. We show some bonds we are showing in condensed. Okay. Now let's talk about this structure. For which of the following compound write a condensed formula and also their bond line? Write the condensed formula and also their bond line. So see, it is already looking like a condensed structure, but they are saying ki condense it more. Condensed it more. So wherever repetition happening now, like see here 3 times, or you can at least say sir 2 times to confirm. 2 times CH2 coming. 2 times CH2 coming. So see, they will compress it. They have counted all 3 CH2. 3 CH2 together they have written CH2 3 times. Is it visible? ये वाला दिख रहा है क्या? Is this diagram visible? See here. CH2 they have written 3 times. Here see CH3 written 2 times. So they have again condensed it. So more condensed, more condensed. So you will have to study these things. Like let's talk about this diagram. Let's talk about the last diagram, HOCH. What is this diagram? HOCHCN whole twice. What do you conclude from this structure, this formula? Batao, how to draw the structure? Can you draw? Can you show the bonds, where bonds are there? Batao. Hey, smart Sankar. Idhar, ikada. ठीक है? बताओ, what to do now? So how to do this? So see, you will know कि OH is there. Chalo, OH is one group. CH is there. This carbon should have 4 bonds. So first you write this only carbon. Then what? OH. Then what? 1H. Rest 2 bonds still required. What 2 things I can write in this? Sir, cyanide. CN group is there. Cyanide. Very good. Write cyanide then 2 times. Done. Now if I ask you number of sigma and pi bond in this structure, can you tell? Let's see. I am giving you guarantee. Many people will not tell correct answer. Many people, 90% will write wrong here. In sigma and pi bond, I am giving you challenge. 90% people will write wrong answer. Tell me sigma and pi bond quickly. Let's see. People writing how many sigma? Wrong. चलो देख लेते हैं how much you are knowing. So 4 pi 6 sigma. 7 sigma 4 pi. 4 pi. You have to tell sigma also, bro. 6 sigma 2 pi 2 pi 2 pi 2 pi only 2 pi. Surya Kalavati writing the correct answer. Kamakshi also writing the correct answer. Meow Meow also writing the correct answer. Meow Meow Sigma. What name you are putting, huh? Eight sigma. Elvin writing 8 sigma. Kaushik writing 5 pi. Is it correct? See, so from this answer we conclude that many people are writing 6 sigma and many people are writing 4 pi. So chalo. So see, you will have to think this also a bit. This OH means what? O is connected to H. And CN also, many things are hidden here. See, this carbon should also have 4 bonds. This carbon should also have 4 bonds. Not visible. Where are the 4 bonds? And nitrogen forms 3 bond. So 1 here, 3 there. So it is like this. It is like this. Clear? Done? So now see here, you can think, Arey sir, here cyanide written like this. Now you can remember also what is the diagram of cyanide. You can remember also what is the diagram of cyanide. So cyanide written like this. So here also you can write the same way. Ab batao, is it visible? Sigma, 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 sigma. In multiple bond, one is sigma or pi. तो बताओ कितना sigma? 4, 2, 6, 1, 7 sigma. So few people only wrote 7. Many people writing 6 only. So those who are writing 6 sigma, which bond you have missed? I think you have missed OH1. But which bond you have missed? Those who were writing, most of the people were writing 6 sigma. So which bond you have missed? Buffering. Is it okay? Refresh मारे? Voice audible? Wait. Is it clear now or still buffering? Now okay, now clear. Okay, clear, all clear. ठीक है? So 7 sigma and 4 pi. 2 pi, 2 pi. Here also 2, there also 2. So 2 plus 2, 4 pi. So this is the correct answer. I told you many people will write wrong. They have written wrong. Only few people. Means I think 5, 6, 7 students only were there out of this 250. Those who wrote the correct answer. ठीक है? Very good. Kamakshi, Surya, Kalavati, they have written the correct one, I think. The rest I have not seen. ठीक है, done? So sigma pi counting over. From condensed form, you have to write the formula. They will tell you to write bond line structure. So you can see here how they have written bond line structure. Heteroatom you will have to show. Heteroatom is what? You can say other than carbon, hydrogen. Heteroatom you can say other than like carbon. O coming, O you will have to show compulsory. Functional groups you will have to show. ठीक है? Done? So it is like this. See here, see this diagram, this diagram, can you see? देखो भाई, can you see this diagram? Now I think you will not be trapped. Bolo, how many carbon in this? How many carbon in this? Tell how many carbon in this. How many carbon in this? So this is one carbon, this is other carbon. See here everyone, ऐसा नहीं, इधर एक इधर दो. 1 2 9. 1 2 3 4 5. 5 carbon. Write the formula. Everyone write the formula quickly. Many people writing wrong. 5 7 7 5 4. देख लो भाई किधर 6. Don't count this one. Here to OH written. Here OH written. Clear? So C5. C5 H. H how many? 1 2 3 4 7 8 C5H8 1 2 here, 1 here, 3 here, 3 to 5 6 7 8, and don't forget to write O. OH group is known as alcohol group. Functional group is there, alcohol. Array, listen, this CKS, bacha. If you are writing C5H8, don't write OH, because this H you have already counted. You can write like this, C5H. This you can write, your choice. Don't write here 8 also and here OH also. Then total H will become 9. Total H will become 9. Is it okay? Done? Buffering. Clear? So these are in NCERT which we have done. So condensed form, bond line representation, writing the formula, molecular formula, counting sigma bond and pi bond, these things we have done. So let's write about the last few things. Like I have told you, there is alkane, alkene, alkyne, hydrocarbon, saturated, unsaturated, alkane, alkene, alkyne. So before this, I will tell you some names also. Don't worry, some names I will tell you. Like 1 carbon is there, then what is the name? 2 carbon is there, then what is the name? 3 carbon is there, then what is the name? Like 1 carbon is there, then which word we use in the name? Myth. You have heard methane. Okay, na? If 2 carbon are there, we use the word eth, ethane, ethene, ethyne, like this. 3 carbon bolo kitna? Prop. 4 carbon bute. 5 carbon pent. 6 carbon hex. 7 carbon batao hept. 8 carbon oct. 9 carbon non. All of you are knowing these things, batao. ये सबको पता है? Done. Buffering finished. Now it is clear. Okay. So I waited for you. So you tell me once. You tell me once. Ki, is this okay? Everyone knowing C12, C11, C12, C10. Everyone knowing this. Myth, eth, prop, bute. Pent, hex, hept, oct, non, dec. Undec, dodec. Then time for your homework. So you have to tell me C20 and C30. What we will call it? C20, C30. Do you know this? C20 and C30. Do you know this? So if you don't know, then this is written in NCERT. This chapter only, written in NCERT only. So next time you search and you tell me where it is written in NCERT. 20 carbon, 30 carbon, you can Google it out also. Google the very easy, in 1 minute you will get the answer. 1 minute also not taken, 20 seconds you will get the answer. But I also want this, where this is written in NCERT. Where this is written in NCERT. That also you have to tell. Clear? Understood? Okay. So this one you will search and you will tell. Then in the next class, we will start with this alkane, alkene, and alkyne. We will write some names. We will write the general formula. We will write some names. We will write the general formula. We will write some names. We will write the general formula. Everyone knowing general formula? Sir, CnH2n plus 2. Here CnH2n just double. Here what? Double plus 2. N is number of carbon atom. N is number of carbon atom. So carbon atom whatever is there, 2 carbon atom. Then this one double, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. So C2H6 like this. Here only double. Here 2, then 4, 3, then 6, 4, then 8, 5, then 10, 10, then 20, 15, then 30, 16, then 32, double. Here double, here double plus 2, here double minus 2. CnH2n. So this is basic, you are knowing from class 9, 10th also, 8th also. So I'm just writing it. And then we know if one carbon is there, then we call it methane. 2 carbon, then ethane. Like this only, na? Methane, ethane. Prop, 3 carbon, propane. Here we start generally from second carbon. We can also write first carbon. Methane is given in NCERT. Methane is given in NCERT. They are saying highly unstable. Generally we start from 2 carbon, that is ethene. Now you will see, methane though never told only. Methane no one told, never told, no one told, never told. What written in NCERT? This also you go and check once. Okay? This also no methane, no methane. Huh? Go and check once in NCERT what they are writing. So ethene confirm. C3 carbon you can say sir propene. Here we can say 2 carbon ethyne. 3 carbon propyne. So you will see in alkyne last word is ine. In alkene, last word is ene. In alkane, last word is ane. Everywhere. So like this you can say the names. In the next class, we will write the formula also. In the next class, we will write the formula also. So enough for today. Okay? Enough for today. In the next class, we will try to write the formula. Ethyne, we will also write what is the other name for ethyne. What is the other name for ethyne? What formula can be there? So we will see it. Finally, you can take the QR code. Sharing is caring. So enough for today. Ajay Verma writing acetylene. Very good. Now, methine, what you are writing? Acetylene. Understood? So enough for today. Any problem? No. Very good. Then just revise. We are writing basic. Slowly we will increase the content. Okay? The content part we will increase slowly. Soon we will come to degree of carbon. We will come to functional group and all. Okay, so thanks everyone. Bye for now. So much talking you are doing among yourself only. Wow, very good. Make friends here. Thank you everyone.